Hi there, it's me, Abdul, a certified Google Ad expert with over 6 years of experience in online advertising. Welcome to my Fiverr profile. My focus is helping business like yours to set up and managing highly effective Google Ads campaigns. Whether you are looking to increase your website traffic, generate more leads, or sales, I have the expertise to make it happen. I believe in the power of good communication. It's the key to success in any project. I take the time to understand your business goals and tailor my Google Ads plan to meet your unique needs. I specialize in Google Ads setup and management, from conducting through keyword research to creating compelling ads and optimizing your budget for maximum ROI. With my experience, I ensure your campaign constantly monitoring and optimized, adjusting bid, test, and variation, and analyzing performance to keep improving your results. Let's take your business to the next level with my expertly managed Google Ads campaigns. Contact me today, get started, and let's achieve great value together. Thank you.